ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्त जन कल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम सदाशिवसमारम्भां शंकराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शंकरं लोकशंकरं। We saw yesterday, last one was कस्य ऐश्वर्यम, लॉर्डशिप किसका है? आंसर इज यह किल शंकर आराधयेत भक्त्या। Those who worship Lord Shiva bhaktya with devotion, okay, this to them alone Aishwarya belongs. ठीक है? Next one, 46th. 46th now we have to start. 46. को वर्धते विनीतः को वर्धते विनीतः। को वर्धते, who grows? Answer is what? Vinitaha, one who is humble, he grows. Beautiful thing. Humility is a great, great, great virtue. So if you are humble, you will grow. If I am humble, I will grow. If I am arrogant, I will not grow. So humility is a great. Vinayat yati patratvam. Vidya dadati vinayam. Vinayat yati patratvam. Patratvat dhanam apnoti. Dhanat sukham. If the Upanishad says that, Upanishad nahi, Subhashitam says. Vidya vinayati, vidya dadati vinayam. Knowledge, real knowledge. What is that vidya? That is vidya which gives you humility. And vinayat yati patratvam. Vinaya say, if you are humble, then we become eligibility. Patra बनेंगे, पात्र, सत्पात्र बनते हैं. विनयात याति पात्रत्वम. पात्रत्वात् धनम आपनोति. धर्मात् धनात् धर्मम. With the patra you become eligible, you get dhanam. With that dhanam you can practice dharma. So many yajna yagadi karmas, puja, path, pilgrimage, donations, all those things you can do. Vidyat dhanayati patratvam patratvat dhanam आपनोति धनात् धर्मम तथा सुखम. धन से धर्म की वृद्धि और धर्म से सुख की प्राप्ति. सो हु ग्रोस? को वर्धते, वन हु इज हम्बल. ओके. को वाहीयते, हु डिजेनरेट्स, हु डिग्रेड्स, हु फॉल्स. हीयते, who is destroyed, who get destroyed. Yo druptaha. Drupta means one who is a deceptive person, one who flatter about oneself, self-esteem, egoistic, vanity, they're all synonyms of conceit. So he falls. More arrogant we become, we fall down. So ko druptaha, so ko vahiyate yo druptaha. So therefore, the ghanam, the ma kuru, dhana jana yauvana garvam harati nimeshat kalat sarvam. So Bhagavan Shankaracharya कहते हैं everything is looted away by time, therefore गर्व मत करो. You have seen political field till election counting is a राजा. May 23rd के बाद भिखारी. मैंने there is no position, nothing, nobody talks, no media is not highlighting such people. So many people are there, suddenly gone. Therefore गर्व मत करना. आज जैसे है इनकी ईश्वर की कृपा से है. गर्व लाया तो गया. ओके ओके नेक्स्ट वन. को न प्रत्येतव्यः, को न प्रत्येतव्यः. One who is not to be trusted, na pratyetavya. One who is that not to be trusted or believed or depended upon, relied upon. Na pratyetavya. Who is that? Brute yascha anrutam shashvat. Shashvat means always. Anrutam, falsehood. Brute, one who speaks. One who speaks falsehood, lies continuously. मुंह खोला झूठ. स्वामी झूठानंद. So how happy you are. स्वामी झूठानंद बोले थे. ठीक है, समझना मैं इसलिए कर दिया ना. मुंह खोला तो झूठ ही झूठ. Some political leader is telling because of झूठ only other leader has got so many votes. वो झूठ बोल के फैला दिया, इसलिए वोट प्राप्त किया. क्या क्या बोलते रहते हैं. ये बड़ा झूठ है. ये झूठ, lies propagation. So one who has a rule, say anrutam shashvat brute yascha. Shashvat means always who speaks as a rule, not to be trusted, not to be followed. So be careful. Okay, that is 46th verse. 47th. Kutra anrutepi apapam. Kutra anrute api apapam. Now see, sometimes here kutra, where anrutam api, even though it is a lie, anrutam api, na papam. Apapam means it is not a sin. Where speaking lie is not a sin. बढ़िया है ना हमारे लिए. तो ढूंढते हैं, बिकॉज ऐसे ऐसे जवाब हमको चाहिए ना. कहाँ झूठ बोल सकते हैं, ये भी जरूरी है. वेरी एसेंशियल, वेयर वी कैन स्पीक लाइज. एंड इवन यू स्पीक लाई, इट इज नॉट अपापम, इट इज नॉट अ सिन. इट इज अपापम मीन्स इट इज नॉट अ सिन. यच्च उक्तम धर्म रक्षार्थम, यच्चोक्तम धर्म रक्षार्थम. धर्म की रक्षा के लिए यदि आप झूठ बोले तो आपको पाप नहीं लगता. इन पुराणास, इन महाभारतम ऑल्सो, धर्म की रक्षा के लिए भगवान ने बताया कि भाई झूठ बोलो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. धर्म की रक्षा के लिए. मैं आपको एक उदाहरण देता हूँ. बिकॉज yesterday also everybody asked this question. Bhagavan Krishna, I gave this answer also some time back, but I am reminding you. Everybody, mostly people complain about Bhagavan Krishna, stating that he did not follow dharma. Okay. One great Mahatma is from Andhra, he was from Andhra. He gave a reply to it. Nice reply, like it reply. He said, you are a traffic inspector in uniform on duty on D&D road. D&D everybody knows, no? With D&D everybody is tempted to drive fast, but the speed limit is 80 kilometers. So you are a traffic inspector standing on duty with uniform, wearing uniform, and I travel with 140 kilometers, I pass by him, driving speed is 140 kilometers. Now he has to catch me. To catch me, what should be his speed? Not 80. More than 140. यही भगवान कृष्ण ने किया है महाभारत में. You are not following that rule. So traffic inspector is not punished. He is not called as he himself is इनको भी चालान काटो. नहीं, he is duty. So even though traffic inspector is behaving in adharmic way, but it is not a sin, it is not adharma for him. So when in some cases, like Ashwatthama kunjaraha, Yudhishthira, we have seen that Mahabharatam. बोलना पड़ा है. Why? Unless you do that dharma rakshanartham. In fact, you people don't understand. And a lot of, I'll state a statement what great past masters have given us. Similarly, dharma rakshanartham only Dronacharya went and asked the thumb of Ekalavya. And you people say that, you bring so much, I do not use those words now here. The differentiation, this and that, inke liye aisa kiya, isliye oppression, this and suppression, oppressed class and community. Not the question there. Because a skill in the hands of an immature person is dangerous for the world. Just as nuclear bombs in the hands of certain countries where they are mentally not stabilized, in those hands they are dangerous. So disarm them. So for dharma rakshanartham, Dronacharya did it. Some people argue, but this is the truth. As per the Mahatmas and as per the Mahabharatam. Otherwise, they attribute some kind of bad feelings, jealousy to Dronacharya. That is not true. What is the Praman? Dronacharya left the body before his head was chopped off. By Drishtadyumna, brother of Draupadi. Before his head was chopped, after listening to Ashwatthama kunjaraha, he dropped the weapons, he went into meditation. Mahabharata में very clearly लिखा हुआ है कि before his head was chopped off by Drishtadyumna, Dronacharya left the body and reached Brahmalok. So in dharma rakshanartham, even if you tell lies, to protect somebody to tell a lie is good. Suppose somebody got a heart attack in the family, husband got heart attack. So wife also already heart patient. So what will you tell? You tell, आज तेरे पति को heart attack में आया, पता है? She will die first. So dharma rakshanartham, to protect her life, but also to communicate the news, your husband is slightly sick, not well, कुछ vomiting कुछ हुआ है. You are not telling the truth. You are not telling the untruth also. Why? Heart attacks में भी patient vomiting होता है. He had just got vomited. He was admitted in the hospital. He is under treatment. No problem. Please come. अच्छा उनको अचानक क्या हो गया vomiting? बस पता नहीं. Heart attack is not told. So certain times to tell lies is allowed. It is not papam. Now, this rule you cannot use freely whenever you want. There should be Shastra Praman, there should be a proper logic to it, understanding to it, reasoning to it. So, Kutra Anrutah api apapam yachoktam dharma rakshanartham. Now, ko dharmaha. Now, immediately we will get doubt. What is dharma then? To protect dharma, you can tell lies occasionally. It is not a sin. Next question, what is dharma then? So, abhimato yah sishthanam nijakulinanam abhimato yah sishthanam nijakulinanam शिष्टानाम निजकुलीनानाम शिष्टानाम अभिमतः. निजकुलीनानाम अपने परिवार में. ढूंढो बड़ों को. कोई होगा परदादा, दादा, दादी, नाना, नानी. They are very old people, wise people, and they have been practicing dharma. They are more virtuous. They know. So abhimatah, शिष्टानाम, those who are virtuous people, practicing virtuous life, nijakulanam, from one's own family, elders of the family, go and ask, because they are immediately available. Gurudev used to tell one example, one new mother, she is about 22-year-old or 21-year-old, delivered a baby, and husband is also first child they got. Husband went to office, and she is the first mother of the first child. So she is inexperienced as a mother. And one day the baby is crying and crying and crying and crying on the top of his pitch of his voice. And whole colony is unable to listen to that cry, huge cry. And his mother is feeding him chocolate and ice cream and whatever it is she is trying, nothing is happening. And old lady in the other house, she is already a mother and grandmother of so many children, mother of so many children. Old lady, she is experienced, she took and the baby in her arms and made him sleep, meaning made him rest. He is continuously crying. She started slowly pulling each limb of the body. Tiny fingers of the legs onwards, then hands, then palm, then everywhere pressing, then nose. When she touched ear, he screamed more. Kaan pakada. Ah! Oh, this is why baby is crying. It is not because of milk or anything. Then what else? Then slowly she brought old ancient simple technique, warm oil, slightly warm oil with 1 or 2 drops in the ear, till oil or whatever oil, castor oil also they put sometimes. And the till oil was dropped and oil did a miracle, and that warmthness and soothed, and the baby in no time he fell asleep. Think. This stupid mother, new mother, no, she doesn't know anything. So she won't ask also elders. They think more elderly you are, more foolish you are. That's how new generation thinks. Okay. So therefore, elderly people, when you ask them, they will tell what is dharma, what is to be done in a given situation, in a given context, kya karna chahiye, they will tell because of their experience. That is dharma. Okay? Sadhu balam kim. हाँ, साधुओं का बल क्या है, साधु पुरुषों का बल क्या है. साधु बलम मीन्स साधु पुरुषः. उनका बल क्या है? दैवम, गॉड. ऑल डिवोटीज चरित्र आप देखोगे, ज्ञानियों का चरित्र आप देखोगे. Yesterday one great person I am speaking on telephone. He is a great Mahatma. Mahatma means he is disciple of a great master, old man, serving so much. The doctor is a doctor, homeo doctor, and he is a popular man in the city. He told me a secret yesterday when I was talking to on telephone for something. He said, I will only, he's 80-year-old, about 85-year-old, I think, a great man. I respect him with his knowledge and wisdom and very, very meditator and all. He was telling me simple technique. No, because my father and they are all friends. They are all friends. And a disciple of a great teacher, a spiritual master. So, I was telling, even today, in my problems, so many problems will come. I will just only sit before my master's photo and communicate and convey to him my problem. And I forget about it. How he handles, we don't know. But always I am telling you, problems are handled mysteriously. The troublemakers, they themselves leave the organization and go. Or something will happen to them. और इनको खोपड़ में विचार आता है कि बहुत हो गया सेवा यहाँ पे करना, चला जाएगा अपना आप. He said, why should I worry? बैठे है ना मास्टर. They communicate, Master, today this is what happened, this is my problem, and I tell him. Once the problem is told, the masters will work, that's it. That is the contact. So, Daivam is the balam of good people. मंदिर में जाके भगवान के ऊपर कई भक्त लोग शिकायत करते थे, घर आने तक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. कई कहानियां ऐसी हैं, आपने भी सुना होगा. कई कहानियां ऐसी हैं. किसी ने गुस्से में अनन्यास चिंतयन्तो माम, ये झूठ है. भगवान ने वचन दिया कि मैं देखूंगा सबका योगक्षेम. ये तो मेरा योगक्षेम नहीं देख रहा है, मैं भिखारी हूँ, काम पत्नी भूखा रहती है, बच्चे भूखा रह रहे हैं, और ये सब गलत है करके उन्होंने गीता किताब में लेकर के इस एक चारकोल लेके इसको काट दिया श्लोक. अनन्यास चिंतयन्तो, नॉनसेंस, आई तो झूठ है करके बुक किताब में. यहाँ पे फिर बाद में भगवान को डांटने के लिए मंदिर भी गया. तो ये तो काट दिया, यहाँ पे डांटने के लिए मंदिर गया. मंदिर माथा, भगवान के मूर्ति के माथा के ऊपर ब्लैक मार्क वॉज देयर. पुजारी बोल रहे पता नहीं सुबह से आएगा, पता नहीं कहाँ से, भगवान को क्या हुआ, मैं इतना रगड़ रहा हूँ, कुछ नहीं होता, साफ नहीं होता. ही अंडरस्टूड, हाँ मैंने तो किया. फिर माफ़ी मांगा कि प्रभु मैं क्या करूं, दुख में ऐसा कर दिया, सॉरी, अभी मैं हटा देता हूं करके जाके हट दिया. घर जाने तक उनको एक बड़ा एक बिग कार्ट में वहाँ पे कोई जाके गया कि तुम्हारे आपके पतिदेव ने ये सब सामान भेजा है, चावल, रोटी, गेहूँ, तेल इत्यादि, नमक इत्यादि, दाल सब भेजा है, उतार दो करके सामान उतार दे के चला गया. वो गाड़ी वाला कौन है पता नहीं. घर ही गया माफ़ी मांगने, बोले पत्नी तैयार हो गए खाना बना के. खाना कहाँ से आया अभी इतना? बोले आप ही तो भेजा है. देखो ऐसे कई कहानियां बहुत है. किसी ना किसी एक रूप में आकर के काम करके चले जाते हैं. सो साधुओं का बल क्या है? दैवम. साधु मीन्स नॉट कपड़ा पहना हुआ साधु. साधु मीन्स गुड पीपल. भक्त लोगों का बल भगवान ही है. अच्छा, कसाधु, साधुओं का बल तो दैव. वो साधु कौन होता है? हम भी साधु बनेंगे. साधु कौन है? हु इज साधु देन? हु इज अ गुड मैन? साधु सर्वदा तुष्टः. हो गया ना, एक मांगना नहीं कुछ भी. सर्वदा तुष्ट, ऑलवेज कंटेंटेड इज ए साधु. हाँ, भूखा रहे तो भगवान देंगे. हमको रोटी है, रोटी के ऊपर घी डालने के लिए घी नहीं है, घी दिया, गाय का घी है ये, तो इसका अंत नहीं है इसका. भाई रोटी नहीं था तो रोटी तो मिल गया, सूखा रोटी तो पानी में डुबा के खा लो. नहीं रोटी मिल गई, अभी घी चाहिए तो घी दिया, नहीं गाय का घी चाहिए. अच्छा, घी डालने का थोड़ा चीनी भी डालना चाहिए, तब मजा आएगा। सर्वदा तुष्टः। पंखा नहीं है, कम से कम धूप में तो बैठे नहीं ना, सो सर्वदा तुष्टः। प्रैक्टिस, इंस्टेंट प्रैक्टिस में लाना है ये सब, ठीक है। ओके, इज अ साधु। नव दैवम किम। नो, आपने साधु का बल दैवम बोला है, फिर दैव क्या है? व्हाट इज दैवम देन? इज अ गॉड सिटिंग अबव द क्लाउड्स? नो, यत् सुकृतम। या आपने जो सुकृत कर्म किए है ना, वही आपका दैव है। मीनिंग व्हाट? व्हाट ऑल गुड थिंग्स यू डू, दैट अलोन इज अ दैवम फॉर यू। दैवम चैवात्र पंचमम। भगवान कृष्ण says no, 5 factors of karma, karanam, karyam, all those things. So Bhagavan says, who is Daivam? Yat Sukrutam. Whatever good we do, Bhagavan blesses through that alone. You know the story, no? Parvati and Parmeshwar. पार्वती देव बोले, बेचारा आपका देखो, उसको देखो, इतना भिखारी है, अंधा भी, हमें भिखारी है, एकदम भिखारी है, खाने के लिए भी नहीं है, कुछ की दिला। भगवान शिव जी ने कहा उनके भाग्य में नहीं है। आप कैसे कैसे कह सकते हो उनके भाग्य में? आप तो ईश्वर है। आप रहते हुए किसी का भी तकदीर आप बदल सकते हैं। यू कैन चेंज एनीबॉडीज विश एंड विल, वॉट एवर लाइफ। एंड दैट फेलो इज वेरी पुअर मैन, suffering for food, no food for him. So why don't you bless him? Give him some treasure. Shivaji said, no, no. He is not disdained. What disdain you are talking about? You can help, no, God. Parvati insisted. Shivaji said, not possible. She insisted. So he was walking one day alone, and Bhagavan Shivaji, what did he do? He dropped a huge treasure on the road only. Right? About at a distance of 100 meters. उनके रास्ते पर डोल, he kept it on the path. वो चल रहा है. Suddenly 50 meters before the treasure, he got a thought that see, I am actually hungry, penniless I am. Thank God I have eyes. Suppose if eyes also not there, how would I walk? I think I have to practice walking without eyes also. So आंख बंद करके चलने लगा. 50-60 meters he walked with closing eyes ऐसा practice के लिए. He crossed the treasure, then opened the eyes. Shivji looked at Parvati. अब समझ में आ गया? He said. She kept quiet. Means what? Even though God wants to bless us, our vasanas, our samskaras, our past karmas do not allow those things to enter into us. God is always available, readily available 24/7 to enter into our hearts, but there is no space for Him to enter. It is closed. Think. Therefore, kim daivam kim yat sukrutam. Now next question. Kah sukruti. Okay, who is the doer of sukrut things? Who is the doer of good things then? Here, not shladhyate nahi, shlaghyate. धा है ना वहाँ पे, धा ने घा, श्लाघ्य, और जोड़ देना ऊपर. Shlagha means in Sanskrit, Shlaghane praise. So Shlagye, Shlagyate cha yah sadbihi. Who is, the question is what? Who is good, doer of good one? Sukruti kaun hai? Doer of good deeds. Meaning, see, when you have done good things, who is the doer of good deeds? one whose good deeds are recognized and praised by saintly people. आप अच्छे काम कर रहे हैं, यू आर ए डूयर ऑफ गुड डीड्स, कब हो सकते हैं? जब कोई सज्जन आपसे कहें, then meaning what? It has to be authorized by a great man. See, virtuous people praise those deeds of yours, then it is called Sukrit. Very beautiful thing. So praman kya hai? Virtuous people, they should authorize. They should say, yes, you are the doer of good deeds. Not अपने आप को मैं इतना सेवा करती हूँ, मैं इतना काम कर रहा हूँ, अपने आप मत बोलना है. They should say. Okay? That's next one. Gruhamedinascha mitram kim. Gruhamedinascha mitram kim. Who is the friend of a householder? Bharya. Wife. Similarly, for wife, who is the friend? Husband. Marriage, what do you call, the Grihastha Ashrama should not be reduced to a contract. It is not a contract for a few years. In our tradition, once married, for life only. You will be divorced either her death or at your death. Meaning what? You are trained to live with one soul constantly. Then slowly individuality will merge. So one soul, two bodies remain. And if there is a true companion for spirituality, it is not a bondage. So Bharya is the one at home. She should play such a role so that she becomes a friend, not an enemy to her husband. That's how one has to practice to live. Okay. Ko gruhi cha. Acha, a householder. Who is a householder? Yo yajate. One who performs sacrifices, puja, path, parayan, such a good culture, observing festivals at home. Every festival has to be celebrated with a great devotion, fervor of festivity. कुछ घरों में कुछ फेस्टिवल बनाते ही नहीं, कुछ घरों में everything is celebrated. So the culture is picked up by, and the wife alone has to take bath early morning, make some prasad for Bhagavan, puja karna, सबको बिठाना, सबको ये प्रसाद देना, all that work she used to do. आजकल बनाना भी नहीं आता है, स्विगी ऑर्डर करते हैं, स्विगी, पाव किलो मिठाई. एडवर्टाइजमेंट भी होता है ना, उसकी लड्डू मंगा के अगरबत्ती चलाते हैं उसको, एक्चुअली धोखा देने के लिए. पत्नी गेट्स एंग्री, तो ही चेंजेस इट, स्विगी. सो वी डोंट नो. सो प्यार, इसलिए आई ऑलवेज टेल, किसी का भी जन्मदिन हो, एनीबडी समबडी सेज आज मेरा जन्मदिन है, बेटी का जन्मदिन है, बेटी का है अमेरिका में है, बेटा का है अमेरिका में, बोला ना मेरे लिए, मुझे बता दिया ना बर्थडे करके, घर जाके इतना खीर बना के इष्ट देवता, आपके कुल देवता और पूज्य गुरुदेव को भोग लगाकर उनके नाम पे आप लोग ले लो. ये तो करो, नॉट ऑर्डरिंग पिज्ज़ा, इतना तो करो कम से कम. एंड देवतास विल टेक इट, पक्का, डाउट ही नहीं है इसमें. सो यो यजते, ही इज अ गृहस्थ. But then, ko yajnaha. यजते माने वन हु परफॉर्म्स यज्ञ कर्मास एटसेट्रा. बट यज्ञ क्या होता है? व्हाट इज सैक्रिफाइस? यश्रुत्या विहितः श्रेयस्करो नृणाम्. That which is ordained by the scripture and which is good for the welfare of the people. Very important. Nrunam Shreyaskarah. Yajna kare mane not for myself. Let whole world be happy. Let whole country be happy. Not selfish yajna. Okay? Now, Kasya Kriya Safala. Whose actions are fruitful? Kasya Kriya Safala Bhavati. Safali meaning whose actions always become successful, fruitful, accomplished. Yap punaha Acharavan Shishtaha. या पुनः आचारवान शिष्टः. शिष्टाचारवान you can combine. Or who is आचारवान, who is a practitioner. Acharati meaning one who lives according to dharma. Shishtaha, well refined person. So one who is refined, one who is of great conduct, his actions always become fruitful. Bhagavan Krishna, he said, you do your karma perfectly, with right attitude. You will get your phalam. Don't worry about the result. Okay. Kah shishtaha. And then who is shishta? Who is the refined one? Yo Veda Pramanavan. Who is Shishta? Shishta Purusha? One who accepts Veda as Praman, authority. For us, Veda alone is Praman. Veda is what? Apaurushayam. You know Apaurushayam? Apaurushayam means it is not written by anybody. Veda is not written by anyone. It is apaurushayam. There is no Purusha Prameya is not there. Purusha Prameya is not there, then how it is? It is revealed. It is a science which is revealed. Like gravitation law. And who created gravitational law? Who invented gravitational law? Who made gravitational law? These questions are wrong. Why? Gravitational law was revealed. Think. Similarly, with respect to life and other things, Veda is Pramana for us. So one who accepts Veda as Pramana, he is a Shishta Purusha. Shishtachari. Okay? Kohataha. Kohataha. Who gets killed? Kriya Bhrashtaha. Kriya Bhrashtaha gets killed. Meaning what? Whatever your duties are, if you are not performing your duties, if I am not performing my duties, what I am supposed to do, I must do. If I don't do what I am supposed to do, I get destroyed. I get killed. Meaning I get destroyed. Beautiful. Which house gets destroyed? That house gets destroyed where members don't do what they are supposed to do. Wife is supposed to cook food, she doesn't do. Husband is supposed to earn and take care of family, he doesn't do. Children are supposed to follow the parents' guidelines, they don't do. Such a house will be a chaotic house. अब घर में ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? भाई जिसको जो करना है वो नहीं कर रहा है, बस इतना ही. एक ही बात है. Ashram is there. Ashram में so many people are there. And everybody has to work their own work. Then only ashram is maintained. Otherwise, everybody get destroyed. Nobody will come. You also don't come to ashram. Think. Somebody has to set the chair, somebody has to put the mic, somebody has to... So many things. How it is being run? So many people are working. So remember, Kriya Bhrashtaha, one who has fallen from one's own duties, he is destroyed. Ko Dhanyaha, who is a blessed one? Sannyasi. आहा, क्यों जलन हो रहा है क्या आपको? Sannyasi is blessed. Bas. Why sannyasi is blessed? Tell me. That's why you become sannyasi. Desire होना, शादी करनी है, बच्चों को पैदा करना है, पत्नी को देखना है, घर बनाना है, गाड़ी खरीदना है, संतान उत्पत्ति करना है, हमारा खानदान बढ़ना है, ऐसी इच्छा है जो भी है, तो दिन कहाँ फिर ज़्यादा काम ही काम में फंस गए हैं. डिज़ायर होगा तो फिर अगर सो मच ऑफ डिज़ायर्स, बच्चे के बाद वो बच्चे होना है, बच्चे हो गए, बच्चे होने के बाद काम हो गए क्या? नहीं, बच्चों की शादी, उनकी पढ़ाई, बच्चा शादी हो गए, बस हो गए काम? नहीं, उनके बच्चे. देयर इज नो एंड फॉर दिस संसार, आई टेल यू. अच्छा, हु इज द सन्यासी? वन हु हैज रिनाउंस्ड ईगो. इफ यू आल्सो रिनाउंस ईगो and surrender to God, you are also a sannyasi. Sannyasa ashrama is different from sannyas. Sannyasa ashrama is where formally one took sannyas, right? And that ashrama facilitates for spiritual progress in a better manner than for a grihastha. It facilitates. But after taking sannyasa ashram, suppose you are caught up in another ashram building, then there also carpenter, plumber, then electricity bill, diwar gir gaya, expansion, money, fundraising, income tax, GST, tax conditions, this and that, and employees, salaries, all the way. If Gurudev's vibhuti chal raha hai sab, it is not Gurudev deliberately desired these things. ये विभूति ईश्वर की लीलाएं चल रहा है. Suppose somebody had a specific desire for that, कितना मेहनत करना पड़ता है पता है? So any desire, illegitimate desire, is a bondage. Bhagavan Krishna said in 7th chapter, Dharma viruddho bhuteshu kamosmi bharatarshabha. Dharma aviruddha aviruddho bhuteshu among beings, that desire, ध्यान से सुनिए, which is not opposite to dharma, any dharmic desire, no, I am expressing in the form of that desire. Which desire? Which is not opposite to dharma. चलो सत्संग करेंगे, क्लास सुनेंगे, धार्मिक डिजायर, ये भगवान का अवतार हुआ. किस रूप में? भगवान ने बोला ना, इच्छा के रूप में आपके भीतर भगवान ने अवतार लिया. मैं कह रहा हूं, धर्मा विरुद्धो भूतेषु कामोस्मि. आई एम द काम, आई एम द डिजायर. So dharma, suppose there is a grihastha ashrama, dharma is there. So that all those desires as per dharma, Bhagavan Krishna says it is my own glory. Adharma, I am not responsible. You have to pay the price for it. So who is a blessed person? Sannyasi. One who has less entanglements, less problems. His entire sampatti will be a kamandal, a लाठी. रमण महर्षि के पास क्या होता था? कमंडल एंड लाठी. और वो भी क्या करते थे? पहाड़ के ऊपर बैठकर वो अपना छड़ी बना देते थे, लकड़ी कुछ काट के घिस घिस के पहाड़ पे पत्थर में. और एक गांव वाले आते हैं ना, एक ग्वाले भाई बच्चे, वो आके पूछते ताता 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 माने वो ग्रैंडफादर, ये आपका ये छड़ी बहुत अच्छा है, हमारा छड़ी ठीक नहीं है, हम ले लें आपका? बोला ले लो. भगवान हमें दे देते छड़ी. और ये कमंडल बना देते, नारियल का जो होता है ना, उसको घिस घिस के उसका कमंडल बना के यूज करते थे भगवान. कोई आगे पूछता था ये बहुत सुंदर बनाया आपने, हम ले ले? हम ले लो. और क्या था उनके पास? एक लंगोट बस. भगवान शंकराचार्य जी wrote 5 shlokas on Langoti also. You know? Kaupina Panchakam. Kaupinavantah कलु भाग्यवंतः. जो कौपीनधारी है वो बड़ा भाग्यवान है. भगवान. So sannyasi is blessed. Who is a sannyasi? Reduce your desires, eliminate your ego. You are also a sannyasi. You will also feel blessings of relaxation. जो हो रहा है होने दो. बट देन बेटी क्यों एग्ज़ाम पास नहीं हुआ, बेटा क्यों एग्ज़ाम पास नहीं हुआ? भाई जैसे होना था तो हो जाता है, प्रारब्ध में होना चाहिए. सो सन्यासी व्हाट डज ही डू? ही सरेंडर टू प्रारब्ध, ही इज रिलैक्स्ड. If we also surrender to prarabdha and relax, we are also blessed. Anxiety is not there. No, क्या होगा, क्या होगा, क्या होगा, क्या होगा, क्या होगा? दूध वाला नहीं आया, अभी तक नहीं आया, दूध नहीं आया, क्या होगा? दूध नहीं आया, दूध नहीं आया, दूध नहीं आया. क्या बाबा, क्या चिंता है? गर्म पानी पी लो. That anxiety is not there. For a grihastha, everything is anxiety. Komanyaha, who is esteemed person? Pandita sadhuhu. Panditaha sadhuhu, meaning one who is wise and good people. Why? They are accepted everywhere. Right? पंडिताः समदर्शिनः नानुशोचन्ति पंडिताः, भगवान कृष्ण ने बताया. पंडित आर वाइज मैन आर दोज हु डू नॉट ग्रीव. पंडिताः समदर्शिनः, पंडित आर दोज दे आर समदर्शी. फॉर देम एवरीबडी इज इक्वल. सच ए मैन गोज एवरीवेयर, एवरीबडी रेस्पेक्ट्स. को मान्य विद्वान सर्वत्र पूज्यते. हैव यू हर्ड दिस? विद्वान, राजा भी अपने राज्य में उनको पहचानते होंगे लोग, उनको आरती देते हैं, उतारते हैं, माला पहनाते हैं. वही राजा दूसरे राज्य में चला गया हो, वेशाभूषण के बिना साधारण ड्रेस कपड़ा पहनकर घूम रहा हो, कोई नहीं जानता उनको. मगर विद्वान सर्वत्र पूज्यते. Wherever he go, a learned man is respected. Okay. Kasyevyaha. Who is to be worshipped? Yo data. Data. Yo data, one who gives freely donations. Data means what? Not only dhana data, vidya data, idea data, suggestion data. They are to be respected. आपको बचाने वाले होते हैं ये लोग. An idea can change your life. है ना? An idea can change your life. So Data is giving good suggestions, good ideas. Why consultants are paid more money? पता ना वो क्या आइडिया देगा आपको, उस आइडिया से आप अपना संकट को पार कर सकते हैं. And one who is Data, who is giving you whatever you want, whatever is required, and one who is available, who is giving, donating to you what is required, he is to be worshipped or not? को दाता यो अर्थितृप्तिम आतनुते. It is said that Kasevya, who is to be worshipped, Data, a donor. Okay? One who gives freely is to be worshipped. Okay, but who is Data? Yo arthitruptim atanute, one who brings contentment, satisfaction, fulfillment to arthi. Arthi means one who is asking, begging, needy. उनको तृप्ति लाने वाला होता है ना. माने कि सपोज somebody comes and आजकल क्या होता है कुछ कुछ जगह पे they don't know the route also, they गलत जगह बोलते हैं, ऐसे चले जाओ मिल जाएगा आपको. They misguide you also. So whatever अर्थी तृप्ति, अर्थी भीख मांगने वाला, पूछने वाला, सलाह लेने वाला, सलाह पूछने वाला, उनको जो तृप्ति दिलाए वही दाता है. थिंक नॉट क्वाइट. किम भाग्यम देहवताम. हाँ, देहवताम किम भाग्यम. व्हाट इज द भाग्य फॉर ऑल दोज पीपल हु आर शरीरधारी, मीनिंग ऑल ऑफ अस, जिसके पास शरीर है. भाग्य क्या है? आरोग्यम. आरोग्यम, स्वास्थ्य ठीक है. यू नो वन थिंग, व्हाट इज द साइन ऑफ गुड हेल्थ? No part in the body should remind its presence. That is health. I am seriously talking. If a limb of the body is reminding you its presence, meaning you are not healthy. इससे अच्छा डेफिनेशन मिलेगा नहीं आपको. जब तक सिर दर्द नहीं होता सिर का याद नहीं आता. जब तक पीठ दर्द नहीं होता पीठ का याद ही नहीं आता. देखो, जब तक पैर दर्द पैर का याद ही नहीं होता है. सो इफ नो अंग, नो लिम्ब, नो पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी is throwing its signal to you, reminding you its existence, that means you are perfectly healthy. So arogyam, that is a good definition for health. Okay? Kahpali. Who is the one who realizes the fruit result? Kahpali. कृषिकृत. वन हु कृषिकर बने, मेहनत करने वालों को फल मिलता है. आप मेहनत कर रहे हैं ना गर्मी में बैठ के, आपको फल मिलेगा. कौन सा फल मिलेगा आपको? ज्ञान फलम. ज्ञान फलम मिलता है. ज्ञान फलम. ये ज्ञान चाहिए तो आपको बैठना पड़ेगा. थिंक. ज्ञान फल नहीं चाहिए तो जा सकते बाहर. But for everybody want jnana phalam, na? That's why you are silently sitting. Can you sit so long without panka in the house? Huh? No, na? Can you sit so long without panka? पर यहाँ कैसे बैठे? फल है ना, टांग रहा है फल ऊपर सामने, एंड यू वांटेड दैट फ्रूट. डू यू थिंक आई ऑल्सो सिट क्वाइटली लाइक दिस, टॉकिंग, दैट टू टॉकिंग, टॉकिंग इटसेल्फ इज अंदर हीट. एंड कर्चीफ रखा अभी तक यूज ही नहीं किया मैं ज्यादा, ऐसे ही पड़ा है. सो मेहनत करो, फल मिलेगा. ओके. कस्य न पापम जपतः, किसका पाप नहीं होता कभी? वन हु इज कॉन्स्टेंटली रिमेंबरिंग गॉड, वो कभी पाप नहीं करेगा. I will tell you an incident. Alert. Are you alert? Kanchi Sri 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 Chandrasekhara Saraswati Perumal. Perumal means Periyar. Great Mahatma he was. He was called as a moving Shankara Lord only. Great Mahatma. One day he was giving lecture. Front row, somebody was sitting. पैर के पैर ऐसे डाल के बैठा है, ठीक है, पैर के पैर ऊपर पैर, लेग ओवर लेग, राइट लेग ओवर लेफ्ट लेग डाल के ही वॉज सिटिंग कंटिन्यू सब काम. बट आफ्टर 5 minutes, 10 minutes he removed. He remembered that no, I think I am in Sabha before Mahatma Shankaracharya ji, I should not sit like this. He removed. Again afterwards, 10 minutes के बाद, again unconsciously put his leg over leg. Again he removed. After some time. So talk is over. He went to put namaskar to Paramacharya, asked him, are you a Ganapati Upasaka? He asked. He said, yes, I am do Ganapati Upasaka. Paramacharya said, when you sat leg over leg dalke, right, Ganapati only removed by his trunk the leg. ऐसा महात्मा को सामने बैठना नहीं करके, your own upasya murti protects you from doing adharma. Paramacharya was seeing Ganapati coming with the trunk removing the feet, pulling the feet. Again he will put again the leg over leg. Again if he removed after 10-15 minutes. आदत के डालते जा रहा है, because it's a sin to sit like that. So upasana murti, because he is Ganapati doing upasya murti, that upasya murti is protecting his bhakta from committing a great sin. And this was seen by Paramacharya, and he asked him, are you a Ganapati Upasaka? So when we do upasana of any devata, that devata protects you from doing wrong things. Kasyana papam japataha. Immediately the thought will come, or like removed, and he thought that he got a thought to remove. He was not removing the leg. The thought was infused and action was done by Ganapati with his trunk. This Shastra says, when you do upasana, whoever is upasana murti, he will protect you from doing adharma. And this is truth. Experience से बहुत बोल रहा हूँ मैं. He will warn you, he will protect you. So kasya na papam, for whom there is no sin, japataha, one who recites holy mantra syllables. Kah purnaha, who is a complete man, Raymonds. Okay, is written there. Who is the complete person, complete man? Raymonds. No, not Raymonds. Who is the complete person or man? Yap prajavan syat. One who has a progeny is a complete man. Acha. That means everybody should have children. In fact, fulfillment comes only from sharing. Listen now. And if you have somebody to look after and have someone to look after you, you are blessed. If you are blessed toward some people to look after, you are blessed. Why? Your life is not wasted. You are living for someone to look after someone. And you are also looked after by someone. That means you are a progeny and you are a progeny to somebody, their life is blessed. न किसी को आपको देखने वाला भी नहीं है, आपको देखने के लिए और कोई भी नहीं है, तो ऐसा जीवन बेकार है. इट इज वर्थलेस लिविंग. इट इज बेटर टू डाई. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ प्रोजनी. ठीक है. एंड व्हाट इज द प्रोजनी? Do you find somebody with whom you can share all your wealth? Otherwise, suppose if I study knowledge also, I gained so much of knowledge, Swamiji, I gained so much of knowledge, but I wanted to teach, I am not finding anybody to listen to me, and frustration sets in. You know that? Your own frustration at home. You think you have studied so many things. You are listening to Vivek Chodamani, listening to Upanishad, listening to Prashnottaratna Malika, listening to satsangs. You go home and nobody bothers you. They think that you are a fool number one. And आपको कैसा लगता है? मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ, बोल नहीं सकता हूँ. बताना चाहती हूँ, सुनता नहीं है. शेयर करना चाहती हूँ, से. And even wealth also, if you have so much of wealth and nobody to share, another frustration sets in. मैं किसको दूँ? मेरे बच्चे कोई है नहीं. किसको दूँ? किसी को भी दे सकते हो. ना किसको देना है? Therefore, who is a Purana Purusha? Those people who have someone to look after and who are also looked after by somebody. Such is a complete man. ठीक है? Definitely not the Raymond's one. Kim dushkaram naranam yan manaso nigraha satatam. What is the most difficult thing for human beings? Yet manasaha nigraha satatam. Constant control of mind is most difficult thing for human beings. मन तो भागता रहता है, भागता रहता है, भागता रहता है. So it is everybody's experience. So what is the most difficult thing for human beings? Control of mind. Okay. को ब्रह्मचर्यवान स्यात्. Who is a brahmachari? यश्च अस्खलित ऊर्ध्वरेतस्कः. Askalita means, remember, we have energy. Energy is leaked out through unwanted channels in buddhi, by unwanted soch, unwanted channels through mind, by unwanted thinking, by grahana, perception of unwanted objects of the world outside through sense organs. Energy is leaked out. And energy is leaked out through all the elements of, that is, jnanendriyas and karmendriyas. Energy is squandered. Who is a brahmachari? One who controls all these wasteful expenditure. Energy is controlled. Urdhvaretaskaha, and diverted towards him. He is a brahmachari. So Gurudev says, too much listening to radio also is the breaking the vow of brahmacharya. Too much TV also breaking the vow of brahmacharya. You are wasting your energy there. And I tell you, you people means most of the people. I don't have that habit, thank God. Therefore, I can say you people. You people means whole mankind. Most of the human beings don't watch a single channel, not even for 15 seconds. They have a remote. They keep on changing 292 channels changed in 1 minute. Chakak, 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 chakak. That indicates how restless is our mind. Agreed? Agreed or not? मैं तो आगे नहीं जाऊंगा. ठीक है. काच परदेवता भुक्ता. Who is that paradevata? चित शक्ति ही अम्बा जगन माता paradevatā. Devata is used Srilinga. Amba consciousness. Chit Shakti is परादेवता. ठीक है. को जगत भर्ता. Who is the protector of the world? Surya. If Surya Bhagavan is not there, neither planets can exist, nothing can exist. Jagat Bharta Surya Narayana. सर्वेशां को जीवन हेतु हो. Who is the, what is the cause of livelihood for everyone? Sarvesham, kaha means who only. Who is the cause for the livelihood? Saparjanyaha, that is the rain god. Parjanyaha, rain. Annad bhavanti bhutani, parjanyadanna sambhavaha, yajñād bhavati parjanyo, यज्ञ कर्म समुद्भवः कर्म ब्रह्मोद्भवं विद्धि ब्रह्माक्षर समुद्भवं एवं प्रवर्तितं चक्रम. All those things will come. So therefore this is the chakra, this is the wheel. So annam prajanya is the one which gives us food for everybody. Koshuraha, Yo Bhititrata. Who is the real brave man? Brave man is those who protects those who are timid. He is a brave man. Suppose कोई सुख में दुख में है. Who is a brave man? One who can console. दुखी person के पास जाके you can console. Somebody lost somebody, so you go there. You are a brave person, and therefore what happened? You should reduce his tears, no? ये जाके और भाई बढ़ा देता है उसको जाके वहाँ पे जाके वो मर गया, पता नहीं कैसे जियोगे, आगे क्या होगा पता नहीं तेरे लिए इतना कष्ट हो गया, इसी उम्र में कष्ट पाया तुमने, भगवान बचा लेगा कोई बात नहीं. वैसे तो कई लोगों को देखा बेचारे मर गए वो भी. So you went to console them, and that is not consolation, consoling others. You are so timid, you made them more timid. Who is a brave man? Brave person? One who protects those who are in fright. Okay. Trata chakaha. Okay, who is the protector? Sa Guruhu. Guru only protects. He will release us from the andhakara of ajnana andhakara timira. Ajnana timira andasya jnananjana shalakaya chakshuhu unmilitam yena. I acted and showed. Okay? He is a Guru. को हि जगद्गुरुरुक्तः, हु इज द गुरु, जगद्गुरु शंभुः दक्षिणामूर्ति, गुरवे सर्वलोकानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। He is a guru of all lokas. ज्ञानं कुतः शिवाद एव, ज्ञानं कुतः, guru will give jnanam. Where does you get jnanam? From Shiva only we are getting jnanam. ठीक है, whatever knowledge we got, it is because of Shiva anugraha. Otherwise we don't get knowledge. One more sloka we will see, 56. Muktim labheta kasmat mukunda bhaktehe. How to get mukti? Mukunda. Mukunda means what? Muktin dadati iti mukundaha. He is called Mukunda, one who gives liberation. So Mukunda bhakti, devotion towards Lord Vishnu, and Lord Vishnu or Shiva both are same. Devotion to Lord Mukunda will give you liberation. Mukunda kaha. Okay, Mukunda bhakti you said. Who is Mukunda? Yastarayeta vidyam. One who takes us across our ignorance. अवध्या नदी को पार कराने वाला. काचा अविद्या, अज्ञान क्या है? यत आत्मनो अस्फूर्ति ही. We are not available to our own self. The self is not manifesting in us. In the sense, fully we are not recognizing the presence of self. That is avidya. Non-recognition of divine principle in us is due to avidya. Kasya na shokaha यस्यात अक्रोधः. कोई किसको शोक नहीं होता? जो क्रोधी नहीं होता. That is called, he is free from sorrow. One who is not angry. Oh, angry means what? You know, self-insult, self-criticism is also a sort of anger. गुस्सा अपने के प्रति, लोगों के प्रति, दुनिया के प्रति, भगवान के प्रति, पृथ्वी माता के प्रति, देश के प्रति, समाज के प्रति. गुस्सा गुस्सा गुस्सा, uneasiness. Then you are always complaining and you are always sorrowful. Kim sukham. What is happiness? Read. Tushtihi. Contentment. Contentment is real happiness. Okay. Ko raja Ranjanakrit. Who is a king? Ranjanakrit. Ranjanakrit means one who makes others happy. Now, it is the purpose of every leader to make others happy in a धार्मिक way. तुमको खुशी बना कर देता हूँ करके दारू पिलाना, ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. But make others happy in your presence. Make others happy. Okay. Kasyashva. Who is a dog? Neecha sevako yasyat. One who serves the Neecha Purusha. One who befriend with Neecha Purushas. He is a Shonaka Maharaj. Shonaka means dog. Bhagavan Shankaracharya says, don't take support or serve or be with low, vicious people of society. If you are along with them, then you are equal to a dog. Last one, we will see, last class tomorrow, to incomplete Prashnottara Trimanika, we will complete tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.